Hey Tom, did you eat without washing your hands first?
It's fine, Mom. Don't worry. Jim, let's go to the cafeteria.
Oh, right, Tom. But I need to go to the bathroom first. Tom, you ate without washing your hands first.
Yeah, it's fine, Jim. My hands are clean.
Hey Tom, stop playing games and finish your homework.
Okay, Mom. This sandwich is really good. Mom, I'm heading to school now.
All right, Tom, don't forget to bring your lunch.
Jimmy, let's go to the cafeteria.
Sure, but let's wash our hands first.
Okay, Jim, I'll wait for you in the cafeteria, all right?
But Tom, you might get sick if you eat without washing your hands.
It's no big deal, Jim. My stomach is strong. Ooh, why did my stomach hurt so bad? Excuse me, ma'am, I need to go to the bathroom. That feels better.